밑에. 그 밑에. 아, 잡았다, 컷!
Hit the airplane, here it goes. That's how you do it.
Vô đây được. Nhang luôn.
In another area, teams of electrical and plumbing workers are meticulously setting up piping and wiring systems. From the smallest details, each system their work demands great engineers are always continuously move in and out, bringing materials from storage to each area. Each time the drivers work closely in safeguarding people on concrete block and bag of cement reaching its designated location. Under shaded areas. Start tidying up tools, ready to wrap up the day. They carefully check each area, ensuring everything is secure and in place, ready for the next day's work. Lights come on across the site, creating a beautiful scene as the evening starts. They carry a sense of pride and fulfillment after down is the fact the construction site is not just a workplace, it's a place where each individual learning and learning. Everyone working plays a crucial role, aiming to create from the early morning until and the bright orange of safety gear. Each person is engrossed in their own task, but together they create a steady, organized flow of work. In one to ensure each layer is carefully lifting large concrete slabs or heavy steel frames, placing them exactly in the marked positions. This process requires precise coordination between machine operators. Some use modern techniques to make sure every steel beam and concrete block is positioned in the optimal location. In another area, teams of electrical and plumbing workers dressed in orange or deep blue protective always open and safe. During break times, they gather in shaded areas, sharing the sound of the machine, the exchange. Requiring to the community. At the end of the day, when the sun sets, the site gradually becomes quieter. Workers start tightening their tools. Ready for the next day. The sun sets a beautiful glow over the site, a reminder of work in progress. Step by step for resilient structures. But also a space that separates every concrete block laid. On a vast construction site, the site resembles a multicolored canvas. Each person is engrossed in their own task, but together they create a steady, organized flow of work. In one corner, the rhythmic sounds of excavators, dump trucks, and material.
Có lắm chẹn bò. Có lắm chẹn bò.